Hasteni Health and Family Welfare Society ni saktharmung bai Sangrongsalo kaisa pandani bisingtei Rajbhavano palaijakha Malaria de manjaka hasteni hastefai Indroshana Reddy nalotei National Health Mission ni Mission Director Baram Bosandasa Khorang Aboni yaglo pandao kok sanani thangai malaria bemar ni yakni bahaike katinai aborokno to yei koklam sawai khana rakha hasteni hastefai Indroshana Reddy nalo
100 countries worldwide and some 9 lakh people die from the disease each year. However, malaria is preventable with the use of medicines and other precautionary measures such as insecticide, treated wet nets and indoor insecticide spraying. Let us accelerate the fight against malaria for a more equitable world through. For prevention of malaria, contribution of all sectors, all departments like Public Works Department, Rural Development, Agriculture, Education, Panchayat, Meteorological Department, Armed Forces, Science and Technology need to contribute keeping malaria elimination as a priority goal to achieve with developing broad-based intersectorial convergence with all sectors through general administration. The state will move forward towards elimination of Malaria from Tripura.
Raja Khorang aguli ni shimi pranab ni kokthum Chini Khorang.